Hello, this is Bill Collins with Ultrasound Home Inspections. Today I'm inspecting a house that was built in 1970, and this is a foreclosure home that's being sold as is. And I found an issue on the roof that I often find on houses with older roofs. This is the plumbing vent stack pipe sticking through the roof, and which vents the plumbing fixtures below. And you can see the boot has deteriorated, and this will allow water to run down inside the house, and usually we'll find attic stains beneath this area, as well as stains in the bathroom or kitchen ceiling wherever the plumbing device or fixture is. This house has 6 of these vent stack pipes sticking through the roof. We've got 2 more here, and we have 3 down on the left end of the house. These all will need to be replaced. This roof is probably 10 or 15 years old. It's a 30-year roof. It's still got some life left to it, but these boots need to be replaced. And this is why it's so important to get a home inspection when buying a piece of property. You need to find out what as is really is. So for more information and videos like this, please visit our website at ultrasoundinspections.com.